Which of the following best describes the nature of curriculum?
Answer B. 57. Which aspect of the curriculum is most concerned with the specific goals and outcomes of education? Answer A. How does the nature of curriculum reflect educational philosophy? Answer C. Which of the following is a primary function of the curriculum in education? Answer B. Which function of the curriculum is aimed at preparing students for future employment and careers? Answer D. The vocational function. 61. Which element of the curriculum specifies what students are expected to learn and achieve? Answer B. Which element of the curriculum involves the methods and strategies used by teachers to deliver content? Answer D. Teaching methods. What does the content element of the curriculum refer to? Answer B. Which element of the curriculum addresses the scheduling and sequence of instructional activities? Answer C.